Welcome to our channel, where we uncover fascinating insights into various topics. Today, we're diving into the realm of petrol pricing in South Africa. Have you ever wondered why the cost of petrol seems to be much higher than its import price? Join us as we explore the factors contributing to this discrepancy and shed light on the mysteries behind the inflated petrol prices. Let's get started. In recent years, South Africans have been burdened with rising petrol prices, leaving many questioning why they are paying more than the import cost of 12 rands 63 cents per liter. Let's unravel this mystery by examining the various elements that contribute to the price we pay at the pumps. One significant factor is the hefty tax structure imposed on petrol. Taxes, such as the fuel levy and the road accident fund, RAF, levy, significantly impact the final retail price of petrol. These taxes aim to generate revenue for government coffers and fund road infrastructure and accident compensation. The current tax value stands at 5 rand 34 cents per liter. If this tax were reduced, the price per liter could drop. Transport costs also play a crucial role in the pricing disparity. South Africa imports fuel from various regions, including the Mediterranean area, Arab Gulf, and Singapore. The basic fuel price, BFP, encompasses the shipping, insurance, storage, and wharfage expenses associated with getting the fuel to domestic ports. Currently, the BFP for petrol stands at 12 rands 63 cents per liter. Once the fuel arrives in South Africa, additional costs are incurred in distributing it to various retail outlets. Retail expenses, including marketing, distribution, and profit margins, contribute to the final price we see at the pumps. It's also essential to consider the impact of currency exchange rates and international oil prices on the cost of fuel. Fluctuations in the value of the rand and global oil prices can significantly affect the final retail price. In recent years, South Africa has experienced an increase in fuel costs due to a weakening rand and erratic international oil prices. So when you pull up to the petrol station and see the price per liter exceeding 23 rands, remember that taxes, transport costs, retail expenses, and international factors all contribute to this discrepancy. In conclusion, the cost of petrol in South Africa goes beyond the 12 rands 63 cents import price. Taxes, transport expenses, retail costs, and external factors collectively contribute to the final retail price of petrol. Understanding these factors can help us comprehend why we pay more at the pumps. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing topic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Stay tuned for our next exploration into fascinating subjects. Until then, drive safely.